Hello, my name is Luis and I will talk to you about my Amazon Spinach script. Narrator. Today, I am going to explain what you should do and what would happen if you decide to go on an expedition to the Amazon rainforest. It is one of the most beautiful place on earth, but it can also be very dangerous if you are not prepared. Instead of all, you must travel with a professional guide. The Amazon is extremely large, and even experienced travelers might had learned English with you prepared neatly. You would walk in unsafe areas where help is not available. Before the trip, you should prepare your equipment carefully. You should bring enough water for insect repellent, sunscreen, and accompaniment feeds and eat the winter changes weekly, and it might rain heavily with you warning. So waterproof clothing is also important. During the expedition, you and learn many surviving skills. For example, you can learn how to drink clean water, boil a fish header, and recognize animal tracks. If you feel guilt, you unfit, you ought ask your lead for a lift or text on break. You also must respect natural one. Some animals might look harmless, but they might become dangerous if they feel threatened. That is why you should never touch with animals or plants. Another important rule is teamwork. You must start with the group at the time if some hit injured. Everyone can help and work together to solve the problem. In an emergency, your with my contact reduce service. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, compañeros.